Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can clear cache in Slotomania game. If you're experiencing issues like loading errors, lags, or missing features in Slotomania, then clearing the cache can often fix these problems. First of all, if you're inside the game, first close the Slotomania game on your device. Drag from the bottom of your screen and then close off the app switcher. Once you've done that, open up the Settings app from your device. This works best on Android device, so if you are using Android, then you can open up Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Under Apps, look for Slotomania game from the app list and tap on it. You'll end up in this app info section where you'll need to click on Clear Data at the bottom right, and in the pop-up click on Clear Cache. Click OK in the pop-up and you'll then be able to delete the cache data from Slotomania app. On your iOS device, simply close off Slotomania app. First close the application and restart your iOS device, and once you are done with the restart, this will clear temporary system cache. And now you can open up the Slotomania app and check its performance. So that is how you will be able to clear cache on Slotomania game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.